Every day, countless Facebook accounts fall victim to hacking. But don't panic, there's a solution. Understanding the how and why behind these breaches reveals the immense value of our personal data and the critical need for its protection. Remember, a hacked account is not the end of the world. There are ways to reclaim your Facebook account and secure it against future threats. Now let's go through the steps to recover a hacked Facebook account. First off, you'll need to identify if your account has indeed been hacked. This could be through unauthorized posts, messages, or changes to your personal information. If you're unable to log in, that's a strong sign your account may be compromised. Next, you'll want to navigate to Facebook's Help Center. From there, choose, "I think my account was hacked or someone is using it without my permission." Follow the prompts and fill out the form with as much information as you can. This will help Facebook understand the situation and suggest the best course of action. If you're unable to access your account, Facebook provides an option to find your account. Here, you can enter your email or phone number to locate your account. You'll then be guided through steps to recover your account. Once you've regained control, it's crucial to secure your account. Update your password, making it strong and unique. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Regularly review your account activity and settings for any suspicious activity. Remember, it's also important to report any fraudulent activity you notice to Facebook. They can take additional steps to protect your account and others. By following these steps, you can regain control over your Facebook account and secure it against future hacking attempts. To recap, recovering your hacked Facebook account is not as daunting as it may seem. Follow the steps outlined, each crucial to regain control and secure your account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if this video was helpful. If you need professional assistance, check the video description or pinned comments. Remember, your online safety is in your hands. Be proactive. Secure your Facebook account. Found this video helpful? Then show some love by giving us a like, subscribe, and comment below. In need of professional assistance? Check the video description or pinned comments. Stay safe online, and remember, we're here to help.